Dana mo tagsuchoy. Dara to.
May concert na naman tayo dito. Kitang style dari bakit?
Nahulog. Ano mahulog? So we're watching Eternals. CR? Wala ani. Wala. Mga to silang yun. So muna na miyog. Eternals. Video ka na. So, wala. So, we're done watching Eternals. At the end of the Koan movie, we didn't expect that Harry Styles will be there. And Harry Styles will be,
Starfox.
Will be Starfox.
Di Ano sa ingon mo siya? X1 sila ni Thanos.
Eros lagi na siya?
Dili. Di lang para sa naong Thanos.
Oo.
Abi na ako. Expect ko nga pa. Igsuon sila ni Star-Lord. Si Star-Lord, katong anak sa Celestial sa Kuan. Guardian of the Galaxy.
So that's what, but Eternals was good also, and we are waiting for the next one. Maybe after 1-2 years, the next Eternals, and we'll be expecting.
Itong Venom.
We'll be expecting Harry Styles as Starfox, and Jon Snow, Kit Harrington as Black Knight. Watchy. So that's it. You watch and there will be surprises. You will see Harry Styles and Kit Harrington. So, nakalakaw. Ha? Ito na may balik. Sure, so wala siya kung ano siya every Friday. So, balik namin sa parkingan and we're going home. It's actually 7:30. No, hapit na alas 8. Na-forman ko, no? Kaputi ba kayo na to, ano? So, dili na kayo may puti, ha?
No.
So, okay kayo. So, as in, Nakurat ko kay naagid si Harry Styles. Si Harry Styles sa last sa movie. Harry Styles was in the movie. So you have to watch it. I'm not going to tell you when he is coming. Where? But Harry Styles is in the movie. Aside from Jon Snow.